Hey everybody, this is basically a video for just random. It's my second YouTube. I don't make many because it takes such a long time to upload them. So, this thing hurts. These are the gloves. It's amazing. One of them is like that. And the other is just like a sleeve. This time I'm not gonna dance. I'm listening to Panic at the Disco. Nothing much is happening. My laptop disk drive is broken, so I can't install Sims. I would not be making this video, I would be playing Sims. I should be doing my homework right now, but I'm not. So I'm pretty much bored. Nothing's happening on Vampire Race. Nobody's writing to me on MySpace. I wish they would though. It's boring. Just watch the vehicle to look more videos. It made me cry. This is his last video. He's leaving. Sad. Nobody's commenting any pictures anymore. How boring can life get? It's a Sunday. It's 4 p.m. It's raining outside. No, it's not. No. I've got 11 contacts on MSN. I'm not talking to any of them. It's not very convenient. So I'm just sitting here making YouTube and listening to Panic at the Disco. So anyway, yesterday I got talking to this really cool guy. And he was really funny. First I was like, he was kind of shy at first. Then in the end we got both really bored. I was like in the middle of the night, it was like 3 o'clock a.m. And we both got really bored, and I was like, he was like, ask me anything. And then I was like, well, I don't want to ask you like awkward and embarrassing questions. And he was like, no, go ahead, I'll answer. So I asked his opinion on shower sex. And he said he didn't know. It was just like in the rain. And by the way, kissing in the rain is way overrated. It's not that good. If you're wondering what I'm doing with my hands, I have no idea. So, faster. I love this song. It's amazing. Probably can't hear what I'm saying because of it. Can you hear now? Okay. So, I'll be on MySpace. Yeah, I'll put my MySpace at the beginning. I like MySpace. Well, I used to love like MySpace.com, but it got really boring. Nothing happens on there anymore. So I've got school tomorrow. I still got loads of Spanish homework to do. And I've got maths. I got in a bit of trouble at school because I could have climbed on his windowsill for the first class. The teacher saw me. He's like, come to my class, and I didn't go. And he's like, unless I go now, I will get detention. So I have to go tomorrow and go like, oh my god, there was the parent and he had to apologize for my very inappropriate behavior last week. Shit. He will give me attention. I don't want detention. That means I have to stay behind on a Wednesday. And that's bad for my permanent record. So... So yeah, add me on MySpace. Bored. So basically now I'm just gonna upload this video and see how many people add me on MySpace. My first video was when I was dancing to AFI. It's a crappy video. It's absolutely embarrassing. And now I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm gonna upload it and then I'm gonna make another video for my friend Maddie. He's so amazing. He deserves a video from moi. If they have any German homework, I don't think so. So hopefully I'll get through the trouble easy. He said if I don't come I'll get attention, so I better go. Hopefully I'll get through it. She shines the skin on stage. Now you can just watch me sing. I think this video is getting long. I didn't take much stuff on, so you gotta stop. Bye.